Hello everyone, and welcome to the installation video for the Apex Bonita. To begin the installation, go ahead and take the footrest with both hands and place it on the ground. Next, you'll want to remove the foam sheets. Take the remote out of the holder. You'll take the pouch on the other side and place it in to protect. Once done, you will find the two wires that go into the back pad and connect them to the respective cables in the inner corners of the chair, pictured here. Once done, take the pad, place it down, spread evenly to assure coverage.